Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hierarchy World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set or insert Hierarchy SmartArt Graphic in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case, I have to paint any kinds of Microsoft Word file which already I have painted before. So in this file, we will work. So go to the go to the insert. So here this smart art, so press this. So here lots of smart art graphics things. So here what we want the hierarchy. So click here this page. So any kinds of hierarchy graphic smart art, so we will press this and we will get the information explanation or about this picture or about any picture. So click this organization chart. So here the chart used to show hierarchical information or reporting relationships in an organization, the assistant shape and the organization chart hanging. These hanging layouts are available with this layout, where in these things we will click OK. See, the thing has been come. So why we will call the hierarchy? So as because we call this hierarchy, see here the line we can we can give, that's why. And also the step by step, that means the hierarchically it has come. So here in this way, and for this case we will call the hierarchy. So here before that we have to mark this, and we can change the color or smart art styled. See, also the 3D thing, see the 3D thing has been here. So before that we can move also. So if we this with text wrapping, that means text wrapping. So whatever we write in this box, so we can move this. So click here. See, we can move with the text. So now we can do the color. See the color, we can change it easily. Press this color. Also we can write these things. See, hello, we can write from here to here. Also now we will do the format. So click here. So format has been lots of. In this way we mark this and this, also this. So how many things we marks? See, the color has been changed. See, if we mark the whole thing, see the whole thing marks, and the color has been, see, changed. We can do the shape outline. So see the shape outline. Before that we will change the theme color, otherwise we can't get it properly. Then we'll go to the shape outline. So black, and again we'll go to the outline. See the decreasing a ppt or pixel or something like that in this. So we can change. Also we can give the dashes sign in this. So we can do the specific or different boxes. We can give the boxes marking things. Also the outline weighted, see dashes we can. Before that we have to mark this. See, in this way we can do these things. So now you will do the shape effect. See, 3D rotation. From here also we can uh, give the shape effects. See here. So in this, so we can change these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.